up, bro?
Everybody's faces this time so we don't have fucking legal issues.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Made that TikTok go crazy.
It was. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, my bad.
Let's drive down here. You guys see any fun holes on the highway? Yeah.
It's like a groove in it. What the hell?
Over a quarter mile to the end. It's just like clogged up.
Oh, really? Who's collecting?
Who collecting money?
Adam, you collecting?
This guy right here is holding on to my money.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll collect for our side.
200, 100.
Wait, 200, 100.
Not gonna be collecting back. Okay, they got 3.
Don't know why.
So pretty much I gotta start cutting it down from the list, the last people that gave me. So, alright, I'll figure out my shit, but yeah, we'll race for $3 grand. That's fine by me, man. I'd really like 5. You guys got a GTR, man, that's a lot of money. That guy got a lot of money.
Not everybody's putting money down there.
Give me a street race with no money. Come on. We got ATM inside.
So we gotta flip for lane and flip the flagger. And then you guys obviously don't have to bump in. I don't have to bump in, so we're gonna get up on the line, and whoever the flagger is will just that person flash your lights. This person flash your lights. Go back and flash it and go.
One burnout.
One burnout. Sweet. Who's got a coin? Here's what I can't see.
Where'd that coin go? You can do it on here?
What kind of burnout?
Cup burnout.
Cup burnout?
Yeah. Jacob and I already talked about that.
What y'all want to call?
I'll let you call it for the lane, and I'll call it for the flagger. You pick lane. All right. We flip the light. Yep. Take tails on it. Heads.
Drive all the way here for that?
I even got my car out for this bullshit.
All right. Let's go.
Hey,
I gotta let my car warm up just for a second.
hey, let's get that light.
Let's go.
That's the burnout Ryan should have done. Should be good.
on trunks over here.
Look how much he spun.
The whole way. Good race, there was a whole lot of shit talking going on. You want to double up? I'm not running anymore, bro. I'm good. I'm good for the night. Thank you very much. I got my money. That's all I needed. You guys are great. Yeah, I need to go down there real quick.
Shit, man. You could have practiced against me, man. I would have spun just as much on my stock tire.
You see some 5s and 10s from Milwaukee in there?
Fucking joke.
It's the 414. You better make sure they're real.
True.
Shit. Damn, I should have brought my fucking my money pen from work. Now you got one. I know you got one.
Is there even a single 100 in there?
No, they're all 20s.
Oh my god.
There's 250s.
None of the Jordan money are You don't see too many hundred here. Nobody's gonna be able to make a honey.
Count that, all right?
There's an extra 20 getting whooped like that.
That was embarrassing. That was embarrassing. I'm embarrassed to own one right now.
Time to return the box ready race car.
Yeah. You gotta know what you're doing.
Somebody gets 20.
Take that 20 and go, Ryan. Take that 20 and go. You earned it. You deserved it. Let's go.
I waited too fucking hours.
You deserved that shit. Let's go. Take that shit and run.
It was a great time, guys. I just wish we could have got down for 5.
Now just go home to your babies. In a long time
Someone
to
over
see
there,
that
somebody got
shit.
cars that don't sleep. They want to race next.
Who wants to race next?
Take your ass home, buddy. Nobody
After
wants
2
to race.
hours of sitting here fucking around, I want to get the fuck out of here. Yes, sir. Fantastic, you guys. Thanks for coming out. Where's Jacob at? Good race, man. Put the suspension on this thing, man. You'll get it dialed in. For sure.
Yep.
Any chances for reruns in the future?
Definitely. 100%, man. I will definitely read on you whenever. I'd like to go to the track, too, sometime, maybe, and fucking get down there.
Sounds good.
For sure. My car's a no-prep car, but I'm all for it. And if you guys want to come down to Hillsboro on September 4th and enter in, it's $200 to enter in. You get a $4,000 lot.
Indian and no prep.
No, Hillsboro's here in Wisconsin, man. Fucking, they do a no prep at an airport runway, and so it's right by the Dells.
Okay.
And it's $200 to enter in to win $4,000 pot, and it's a great time. It's all legal, so. But do me a favor and blur out some faces.
That was, bro. You can't.
I know,
you can't. It's helping your shit out, bro.
2 million views, man. That is fucking
you're fucking
insane.
watching that shit. Come on,
damn,
come on.
Do you know
That
what
was
that's from, though? Do you know
that's
what-
from
do you know-
Jackass
You
Okay, yeah,
You remember that
with the
joke?
dick scene,
You guys got me, man. That was awesome. You guys were great.
bro. It's just all
Thank you for
content.
coming
It was
out.
fun.
For sure,
Yeah,
bro.
it's easy, bro.
You guys are gonna make that money back on YouTube and fucking TikTok.
Everybody's waiting to see this race.
Yeah, I know, dude.
I'm happy to see